Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the oil pressure sensor, also known as oil pressure switch on GMC guys Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find them, we'll talk about that. By the way, do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. We'll explain why it could be simple fix. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses and relays guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. For the oil pressure sensor, before we even proceed with the fuses, now it's very important to check your connector, make sure it's plugged in, make sure it's not contaminated with oil or coolant. We've seen where leaking gasket can cause them contamination in the connector, the wiring harness, and that can cause it not to work, so always inspect that. And if you want to see how to test oil pressure sensor, we'll have videos on the channel as well. Come guys, to show you where you can expect to find the fuses and relays. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood guys, facing the engine on the right side here, on the driver's side. You see, this is the brake fluid reservoir, next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here and a clip there. Release them, lift the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, we need to check many fuses. Those are for engine management. There is limited information exactly which one is for that specific sensor guys, but check all of them, one of them will be. And here we need to check with fuse 20, fuse 21, that you need to check right here. Then we go to fuse 37, 38, fuse 41 and 42 right here, very important fuses as well. Then after these ones we need to go to fuse number 46 right there, fuse 52, fuse 53 which is under that relay right there guys, fuse number 53 right here, and then you need to check relay 66 right there. Those are some of the main fuses relays that we usually check if we have problems with that sensor. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there, so get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.